Now where are you going without finishing your food? Nicole, it's even raining on Hannah, eh, Mom? You sit and eat. Good girl. You sit, baby. Sit and eat. Good girl, mommy. Now you're going again. Nicole. Okay, let's go and you first finish your food. We go and you first finish. Now look, I'm telling her to sit. She's lying. I don't understand why you don't want to finish your food. And now you're going to kick your food. You first sit and finish your food. Nicole! You first sit and you eat your food. And your food is even nice. I don't know what's wrong with you. Slowly, slowly. Me, I don't want. Sit, mommy. Eat. Done? Eh? What have you done? What have you done to yourself? Eh? Why have you been playing with that water? Why? Why have you been playing with that water? Nicole. Now see how you've made your shoes so wet. Nicole, I'm talking to you, Nyabo. Now you're turning your face like that, eh? That's where you were playing from. You're showing me where you've been playing from. Now how are you playing? Like that? Yeah? Nikki? You don't go there.
No?
Don't go there. It's too cold here.
No?
We should go back. Dirty. See what she's touching. You're touching poo-poo. Hi. You've gone back to play from there. I want to see where you're going. Come. I've seen. Hey, I've seen what you're showing me. I've seen the bird. You want to chase it, but you can't chase it. You leave it. We cannot chase the bird. Where to, mommy? Where? Eh? The bird I've seen. You. Why do you keep checking there every day? Why? Eh? Why? Mammy? Be careful. Nicole. Yeah? You come. You leave those shoes there. You leave the shoes. You come and finish your food. You're even chasing me. You're chasing me. Okay, bye. Bye. It's like you don't want to be here. Bye. Okay, bye. You're going to fall.